What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. It's another beautiful Monday. It's Opportunity Mondays. So, you guys know what it is. What type of videos that we drop. So, if you're interested in making money online, shout out to everyone that's watching this video. If that is not your cup of tea, then I definitely encourage you to click off this video and go do something that it is that you like to do. But definitely we encourage, like-minded people to stick around, okay? But I did want to talk to everyone today, guys. I've actually said, Monday I wanted to reach out to everyone and say, hey, let's start a video series. Let's actually shoot video. Let's try to shoot a video every day for 30 days. You know what I'm saying? So at least try to get you guys on the ball, okay? So pretty much here, I wanted to take some time out to shoot a video today, and I wanted to talk about what it's going to take to be successful if you're new to this business. No, it's not going to be any marketing systems or anything like that. And that is the case. That is something that you do need in this business. But today is going to be something that is simply directly all on you. A lot of this industry is very big. Every time you look around, there's something out there saying make money here, make this done for you system, this, all this, and what we call this, you get shiny ball syndrome. Okay, so everything around you is a shiny object. So you wanna go for that. You wanna do this. You wanna do that. Okay, you can make $500 over here. Oh, you got a cash app. You can do $1 over here. You can do $4 over there. So you everywhere, right? And then you're telling everybody, hey, you helping people make money online. But if you're helping people make money online and you're so successful, then why is it that you're jumping from business to business to business to business to business? If you're not a serial marketer and you've already made it, and you have one stream of income that is just blowing out the water over there where you can actually do that and play around. Some people have that skill set where they can do that. But then there's a lot of new people that come into this business and they think they can do that as well, and they don't understand. Yes, MSI equals multiple streams of income, but also I think about multiple income streams when you look in the sales funnel, something that's done for you and it all works as one cohesive unit. So we're going to get into that a little later. But I wanted to talk to you guys and say, you want to stay focused more than anything. If you're going to look into a business and you're going to jump into it, then what you want to do more than anything is make sure that you're locked in with that business. Don't give it 5 months and then you off into some bars. Don't give it off and then you're selling lotions and potions. And now you're doing Bitcoin and you're doing contracts and you're all over the place. And guys, I'm a victim of this as well. But the difference is that I know how to set sales funnels up. I know how to actually monetize certain things. Okay? So, but before then, I had to get it together and really focus on one thing to really start being successful in that company. And that was the Conversion Pros. Everything started taking off for me was when I got involved in the Conversion Pros, guys. Literally a marketing system that does everything for you. All of the selling and telling, you name it pretty much. All right, I have to check on the outside. So pretty much here, it does literally everything for your business that you need. You're going to pretty much have. So I got focused and I started just targeting marketers like, hey guys, whatever business that you're in, you want to have a marketing system. You want to have something that can brand you. You want to have something that your team can download. That your team can duplicate. You literally want to have everything in place for that person. And this is what we were able to do with the Conversion Pros. Hey, you're able to buy leads as well. So now once you download the actual version of the marketing system that I'm using, now you can do the same thing and buy leads in the back office and reach out to those leads and then use the training that's in the back office that shows you how to call leads, that shows you how to text leads. So we literally show you that, okay, in the Conversion Pros. So that was something that I did in the beginning, which got me very successful, and that's why I was able to put together a sales funnel. So any program that I started promoting, I would put the Conversion Pros in front, and then I would have the main program on the back end. So in order for me to promote this main program that I'm promoting, I also have a sales funnel. Now, you don't necessarily need that. But guys, I like things to be automated. For me, I like for things to work on autopilot. I literally like that. So I've learned from some of the best marketers as far as marketing systems goes. That's why we talk about you definitely need one. But it also teaches you to stay focused because now you're able to focus on something that's residual, and then whatever else program that you're promoting, whether it's a one-time commission or whether it's residual commission as well on the back end, whether it's high ticket commissions, it doesn't really matter. But You want to have something that works for you, okay? Now, don't go out here and say, well, I see such and such doing this program, so I'm going to run your gun and do this. And now I see him doing that, so I'm going to run a gun. You want to be consistent. People like consistent people. So if you're on your Facebook wall and you're talking about this particular program, and then 2 days later, got a fly in my house, and then 2 days later, you're up here talking about now help make money in this program. That's not cool. You're going to throw people off. People are going to be like, this dude is not consistent. This is a program that I like, and he's already promoting something else. I don't know if I want to join him because he's all over the place. And that's real. That is truly real that people feel that way. So that's why people get sponsorshipped all the time, because they want to go with somebody that's hitting those ranks. They want to be with the person that's actually getting the car bonuses. They want to be under that person. So that person was dedicated enough to that company to get to that level. So you got to be dedicated as well. In everything, whatever program that you decide to do, stick to it. Learn the ins and outs of that program and let people know about it. And I'm guaranteeing you're going to make some big money in these programs. This online money is real. This online thing is real. You got to tap in and you got to be consistent. Consistent. And guys, you've been hearing me talk a lot lately about, my Easy One Up, or TCP or My Econ, and those are three things that I've actually been promoting, and I've been promoting for a long time. Now the only difference is that the My Econ is for the United States only, so I limit my income with that. Now my marketing system is worldwide. So I had to have something in place where I decided to say, you know what? So if you are worldwide, you know what? You have good credit. You don't work a 9 to 5. You don't need anything like My Econ, but you may want to have something that's instant commissions. You may want to have this marketing system that also promotes this instant commission program as well, where you're able to get paid in your Cash App, where you're able to get paid into your PayPal or your Authorize.net or your Bitcoin, whatever it is that you want to utilize to accept payment. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I chose to do that. But you don't have to. So you can necessarily say, you know what, Jay, I don't want to deal with just the United States. I don't want to limit my income like that. So you know what? I want to have a marketing system in place that's worldwide, and I want to have a program that's in place that's worldwide. So that way you make everything simple in sales phones form, where it's able to just do everything literally right there. Okay? Now, guys, I'm going to wrap this video on up here. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, is that, if you're going to join a program, go hard at that program. Give yourself some time to succeed. Don't jump right in and say, I'm in for 5 months and I want to do something else. 2 months later, I'm doing something else. You promoting everything on the wall, man. Nobody's joining. You're gonna look like you're all over the place. So at the end of the day, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Okay. All right. If you want to be successful, get with a program, blow it up, and don't necessarily blow it up. Blow yourself up with it. You're making money with this program. Okay. Not only making money, you're showing people what you're doing to make money, and so now you become a leader and people look at you and they follow you. And that's when the big bucks come in, okay? So guys, if you're interested in making some instant commissions and some residual income, there's gonna be a link right at the bottom. Pretty much this marketing system is pretty much free for 14 days, okay? We don't ask for any credit card for 14 days, so you can definitely check it out. But then also you can set up your free system. You can set up your free account with the instant commissions part of this funnel as well. And then that way you definitely want to pick a product level. And then once you pick your product level, you're one and done. You see what I'm saying? So you're one and done, but you're also able to earn some residuals in the front, okay? That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what we mean multiple streams of income. Don't go out here doing all this different funny stuff, looking all crazy and confused, okay? Put some sales funnels together and show people how to utilize this one system and pretty much have multiple income streams in it if you're going to do that. And explain why these income streams go with this particular funnel. So a lot of things that, guys, you're not going to see me promote online as much anymore. I'm going to be promoting a lot offline. So a lot of programs that you heard me talk about, then I am going to be promoting those a lot offline again. So I don't want to confuse a lot of people on what we're doing here. Guys, I really want to help people get actually into this marketing thing. So that's why you hear me talking a lot about the Conversion Pros. So I look forward to working with you guys. More and more videos. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.